Alright, so looks like it has some stickers in it. So it comes with a little sticker. It says, "Don't touch my car. LED Factory Mart." So cool little sticker. It's got their WhatsApp, QR code, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and then if you got any quality issues, kind of tells you where to go for that. So but yeah, so that's what it comes with. Looks like it's packaged really good here. Has lots of the bubble wrap. So packaged nicely. Let's see, so it comes with 2 sets of wiring, one for the amber, one for the white. Looks like here's one set of lights with the hardware for the lights. So that's for each set of the lights. Looks like these are the white ones here, so those come packaged really well. I'll show you what the white looks like. So there's the white. It's kind of the rolled edge, so you can swivel and however you need to. That's the white, and then I'm guessing this other one is going to be the amber or yellow, which there's the bracket for those, and yep, that's the yellow. So here's what the yellow is going to look like. So there's the yellow or amber. Alright, and then there's the second. So when you install these, it's pretty simple. Comes with 2 bolts, one longer, one shorter. The shorter bolt is going to go into the nut that's already mounted, that's loose inside right there, as you can see in the ditch light. So you're going to go ahead and put your longer bolt in, set it like this to where it'll line up with the other nut that's in there. It comes with lock nut washers, nuts, and regular washers to install here. So we're going to go ahead and get that lined up and get it installed. Alright, so I had to get my truck moved into a spot where I wouldn't get soaking wet, because it is started pouring down rain, unfortunately, in the middle of me doing this. So but what you're going to do is you're going to put the shorter bolt through the bracket that goes into the light. Then you've got a longer bolt that sticks out underneath the bracket, so when you tighten it, it stays tight right here. So then what you're going to do is you're just going to slide this through your ditch light mount. Use the supplied washer, lock nut washer, and the nut, and screw it on. So you're going to do that with all 4 of the lights the exact same way for each one. Alright, so as you can see, you could still turn the light fixture itself, slide it up or down. So I'll just leave it like that for now, and then move on to the next one. Alright, so we got the white and the amber installed on this side. I left my bracket loose that's mounted to my ditch light. I also left the ditch light hardware loose, so that way it still gives me some free range to add the wiring to it, and just makes it easier to do all the work that you need to when everything's loose, and then you can get everything finished up once it's all installed and everything. So that's what it looks like right now on the driver's side. So now I'm going to go over there and do the exact same thing on the passenger side, and then we'll get to wiring these things up. Is I'm going to wire these 2 lights together on this side, those 2 lights together on that side, and then just bring them in to my switch panel, so whenever I hit the button for the switch panel, all 4 of these lights will come on at the same time. So I think that's what I'm going to do. So let's go ahead and get these all wired up now. We got everything installed. Only thing I have left to do now is just zip tie everything up. But I was just going to kind of show you what I did. So basically what I did is I used the positive and the negative of both of these lights, and I spliced them into to where it would go, or I combined them to where it would go into one negative and one positive. I ran it across the engine bay and then into my switch panel box here, and then I did the same where I spliced those, put them together into one positive, one negative, ran them down and put them both into my switch panel here with the negative, and then the positive goes here. So that is that's it all installed. So now I just need to go and zip tie everything and just clean it up a little bit down here, and then we'll be good to go. So I'm gonna get that cleaned up, and then I'll turn them on, show you what they look like.